Siddhanta Saraswati Vijayate Gauriya Goshtipati Bande Guru Padadandam Bhakta Vinda Samanitam Sri Chaitanya Prabhum Bande Nityananda Sahoditam Sri Nandanandanang Bande Radhika Charanodayam Gopijano Samayuktam Bindavanam Manohar Vanchakalpataruvasya Kipasindhu Bhavacha Patitanang Pavunebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Mukhaṁ karoti vācālaṁ paṅguṁ laṁ haitagiriṁ Yat kipātamahang vande paramānandamādhavam Vrindāvai tulsidev vai piyā vai kesavasya Sna bhakti pade devi sattvatvai namo namaha Narayana namaskritta naram chaiva narottamam Deving Saraswating Vyasam Tato Jayo Mudire Sankirtane Krishna Kathopadeshe Gauriya Patrasya Prakasane Sadhanurakta Guru Bhakti Yukta Bhakti Pramodaksha Jagod Varuna Deyam Sada Paribhavagna Bhavishtadoham Tethas Padam Siva Virinchanutam Saranyam Vetatiham Panotopal Bhavadiputam Bande Mahapurusate Charuna Ravindam Yat Pada Pallavan Kachanda Manichataya Vispurjita Kimapi Gavavadu Svadarsu Purnanuraga Sasagara Saramurti Saradhika Mai Kada Kipam Karosi Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Binda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Ajanulambita bhujau kanaka bodhato Sankirtane kavitaro kamala yatakshu Vishambaro dijavaro jugodharma palo Bande Jagat Priyakaro Karuna Bhataro Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namami Gange Tava Pad Pankajam Sura Suroir Bandito Dibharupam Bhuktin Jamuktin Chadada Sinitam Bhavanurupe Nasada Naranam Ganga Taranga Ramaniya Jata Kalapam Gauri Nirantara Vibhushi Tvam Bhagam Narayano Priyamanangamadapuharam Varanasi Purapati Bhajavi Shanatham Bhagisha Vadane Lakshmir Jasacha Vakshasi Jasyasti De Sambit Tvam Nishingamaham Bhaji Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Kalo Narajan Jagatam Param Gurum Tilokunatha Natopadupankajam Prainamarta Bhagavantam Achyutam Jakshanti Pasanda Bhivinna Chetasa. Gaudiya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that those who all are the flag holders of Dharma, Dharma Daji, they are preaching their acharan, going to take bonded soul into more and more bonded condition. That is the painful situation at present. Gaudiya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru said that those who are the flag holders of Dharma, Dharma Dhaji, no acharan, they are preaching their acharan, going to take bonded soul into more and more bonded condition. That is the painful situation all around. Pure, absolute truth, absolute truth, pure bhajan, pure Siddhanta Vichar, pure preaching, can never be compromised with anything. Prabhupada used to say, in the way of Suddha Bhakti, any kind of compromise is not allowed. Any kind of, not at all allowed. Compromise means, I like to make some agreement. You can do this, I can do this. That means, anyhow I am bound to accept some negative point from him and follow negative point from him and leave some positive one. Then and only then, demon and demigods can make agreement. You go through Bhagavatam, any kind of agreement, if suppose you and me like to make some agreement, there is no harmony between you and me. But we like to make some agreement for some special purpose, to get some benefit. Well, you can come, we can sit and discuss. After that, what we can do? You are doing this. I know it is negative. Okay, you do it. Make some agreement. Agreement means surely you are going to leave some positive point and going to accept a negative point from him. But they are going to project this matter in such a decorated way. They say, we are great Vaishnava, so we have no fighting with anybody. So clever. So clever they are. They are going to hide something. In the way of absolute truth, there is no question of hiding anything. You will have to speak. Though people can reject you, people can start agitation, people can reject you. Same thing Prabhupada told. If the whole world going to reject me, but still I am not going to stop speaking about that absolute truth, standing under the lotus, lotus feet, like umbrella, lotus feet, under the lotus feet of Guru Padma, continuously, non-stop, in spite of any problem coming in front of them. That is a symptom of a pure sadhu. Otherwise, so big problem around. Any amount of Shastra Vichar cannot stand in front of them. Because anyway, they like to kick out Shastra Vichar. At all they are going to give some value to Shastra Vichar. Okay, they can sit. But they are not going to value. At all, if somebody going to give value to some Shastra Vichar, order of Guru Padma Vaishnava, then question is separate. But they don't care. Shastra speaking this way, they speaking that way. But still they like to project We have harmony all over the world. He has no harmony, that's why he is no sadhu. Yes, not sadhu. Really so. Papa speaking, those who are pure sadhu acharyas, they like to point out, you look, they are speaking against Shastra, this way they are behaving. So be careful. And those, clever, jackal in the uniform of sadhu, they like to know, he is actually a demon. He is not sadhu. They like to arrange some scope to get escape and to prove that we are sadhu. Whereas they like to put, they are doing this, on the candidate, the opposite, they like to, no, he is fault, he is. This way, common people now in big confusion. Where to go, whom to follow, whom to hear. Nobody understands. Oh Lord. Only wastage of money, energy, and those jivatmas gradually going to hell by following those bonded souls. Dharmadhaji ganer, dharma acharan, baddha jivke aro, adhikotaro, baddha dasai, loiya jai. Bengali. This is the condition. Nothing to do. First of all, this is Kalikal. All people full of contradiction. To do, not to do. That's useless. All contradiction. No faith. Kali is the age of controversy. At the same time, misguidance all. Kalikal, naturally Kalikal is dangerous. We are discussing, Kalikal dangerous. Kalikal, all vitals gone. Kalikal is so dangerous, to stand rigidly in your own position is very dangerous. Some other kind of provocation can come in the form of lucrative offers. Live. Oh, it's more practical to this. This is we know, already discussed, in general in Bhagavatam it is written, Krite jadhayato Vishnu, tetayam jajato makshay, dapore tatparicharjayam kalau tat harikirtanat. Kalikal is so contaminated, I told you, any object you collect, all contaminated. Mind is contaminated, heart is contaminated, everything. No purity can stand. Big problem. So how to do that? Only one way open, I told, that is to pay attention to Harikatha, Kirtan from right source. That is the only way. If you like to pass lecture, mentally concocted idea, write and speak something, it can make problem, both for you and for them, I mean in front of whom you like to represent. So, try to follow the Prabhupada in toto, not even 0.00001 millimeter deviation. Then and only then you can save you. Try to hear, otherwise you can arrange big problem. No smell of self-interest. If there is no spell, even unknowingly, unconscious mind, even inside my unconscious mind, there should not be any desire for any pratishtha. Then preaching is possible. Otherwise preaching must be. You cannot preach. In the name of preaching, you can mispreach and destroy the whole devotional world. That you can do. Nothing else. Nothing more than that. So, in Sattva Yuga, one man, their lifespan was 1 lakh year. There was sufficient time. They could go for aesthetic, finances, meditation. But here in Kalikal, if you sit for meditation, chanchal. Go, look here and there, mobile, everything. They cannot sit in one place. Very chanchal. Or at all sitting with chanchal bhav, forcefully. So, Satyuga, 1 lakh year lifespan, they could do. And Treta Yuga, 10 times less. I mean 10,000. That also not so small you could do. After that, Dapar Yuga, they are 1,000 years. And now Kalikal, 100 years, but it is the evening of Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga just started. 5,500 years. Now Kali can move more further. 4,32,000 years. Then what will happen? Now, our science going to show some picture, what will be the condition of the world after 30 years, 50 years, 100 years. What will be horrible? Like dog and cats, at present also. Like dog and cats. No humanity. Human means, if there is no humanity, then how we can become human? Human means humanity must be there. Humanity is not there, so how you can become human? This speaking yesterday also I told. So that time it was possible to meditate this that. Kiteja Adhyaya to Vishnu. Treta Yuga, they started Yagya, nice Yagya. Pure ghee, pure Brahman, Vaishnava, all available they can do. In Dapar Yuga, they started worship, Paricharja. That was also practical according to that age. But day by day, the power of everything coming down. Power of human being, Brahman, Vaishnava, all gradually. Pure Vaishnava, Guru Vaishnava, they are in. Like Prabhupada, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, any age, like Dapar Yuga, Satya Yuga, there. It is not question for them. So this way, Kali is itself dangerous. So many things are there. So in this Kali, to do bhajan is really dangerous. Really dangerous. So, the only way open is to depend upon Aprakita Sabda Brahma coming from the lotus mouth of right source. No other way. Big problem. And Prabhupada speaking, know it for sure, though there is prescription is changing, I mean in Satya Yuga, meditation, Treta Yuga, Yoga can be there, in Dapa, Archan, but that doesn't mean that Sankirtan is not allowed. Sankirtan is allowed any time. Kalikal is, Sankirtan is very effective, but don't think that in Satya Yuga not allowed. Satya Yuga also. Sankirtan is always allowed. Then you can say why prescription is set, because that lifespan was very heavy, long. Okay, they have power, let them do it. That doesn't mean Sankirtan cannot be there in that Satya Yuga. I mean, Sankirtan is always, every time, any yuga, any country, any situation is effective. Because Sankirtan, Prabhupada speaking, Sankirtan, Nam Sankirtan, Harikatha is the best meditation. What meditation you mean? You are sitting in Himalaya. What meditation? Sankirtan, Harikatha means meditation. If my mind is running here and there, how I can speak serially? I must be very careful. All my concentration is there in Guru Vaishnava Bhagavan. Otherwise, there you cannot find any rationality. Sometimes this, sometimes that. like madman. So, when you allow me to speak Harikatha, I must be very careful. Full concentration there, so the serial of others can come, one after another. So it is one kind of meditation, not one kind of the best meditation. Even if you sit in Himalaya, there can be some problem. Something can appear inside your mind. But here, no possibility. If something appears, you can break, you cannot see. So that's why Mahaprabhu told Nam Sankirtan is very effective in Kalika. Kalu naste vanaste vanaste bhagati. Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Aiva Kevalam. Kalu naste vanaste vanaste va gatirannatha. And in Teta Yug, okay, you can think, you can do Jagya, you can do Jagya. Because that time Teta Yuga, there was powerful Brahman was there also. He received monies, okay, and everything pure, you can give everything. But be sure, Nam Sankirtan Jagya is the topmost. That yoga is okay, but Nam Sankirtan Jagya is topmost. It is approved in Bhagavatam. Sukracharya also speaking. I can come to the point. After Dapar Yuga, well, Archan, Paricharja, Abhishek, Adi, everything you can do. That also was allowed that time because according to time and situation, it's almost okay. But in Kalika, all impure. But that Archan you mean, na? Dapar Yuga. But Harinam Sankirtan, Prabhupada speaking, the best Archan. I am not worshipping any deity. I have no time. Only Giriraji Maharaj I have, I want Shivji, long time. I take one drop of Ganga water and put, excuse me, I have no time. Because if I give time there, I cannot run here. Bhagavan, excuse me, from the beginning. So this way, Hari Kirtan, Harikatha, I beg for pardon, Prabhu. My Harikatha Kirtan is for your satisfaction, complete satisfaction. You get satisfied by that. That is my archan. I have no time. Mental archan I am doing after, always. This way, Prabhupada speaking, Harinam, Sankirtan, Harikatha is the best archan. Nothing can be more powerful than that. Sankirtan always effective. Mahaprabhu has shown it. And Sukracharya, I like to remind you, when there was problem, you can remember Bali Maharaj case. Bali Maharaj finally, according to commitment, Bali Maharaj could not give the 3 steps of land. Finally, he was caught, bounded. Finally, he allowed his, head. Bhagavan, the 3rd leg, you can put on my head. That was suggested. Anyway, the Jagya which was going on there at that time, anyway, Bhigu Kacha. The name of the spot is Bhigu Kacha at the bank of Narmada Nadi. At the Narmada, very pure Nadi. Narmada, Amarkantak, starting. Ganga coming from Gomukh. I went there up. So, then actually what happened? Anyway, what Jagga was going on that time, that was spoiled. Spoiled, na? Because in the meantime, this kind of incident happened. Jagga was going on. The Bhamandev came. Hey, brother, what do you need? I can give you any donation. Oh, I don't need. I need 3 footsteps of land. Oh, well, 3 footsteps. What if a small, short figure, 3 footsteps long? You cannot manage to stay even. No, I need. But he don't know. He is Supreme Lord coming in the form of Bhamandev. He is saying, I can give you 1 continent. Whatever you need, I can give. Why you are asking one small thing? is one kind of false ego. Then finally, Sukracharya, the guru of Bali Maharaj, giving warning, hey, stop giving donation. That a Vishnu Bhagavan coming in the form of a small short figure to cheat you. Eh? Bhagavan can cheat. Very good. Everything is Bhagavan. So he can cheat. I like to be cheated. But people cheat me, I cannot allow. If Bhagavan like to cheat, okay, Bhagavan can cheat me. Because everything is. My body, mind, everything. When Sukracharya is giving, hey, if you give everything, where you can stay? He can take everything. Very angry. Bali Maharaj speaking, no, I must give. Because I promise. I must give. Then Sukracharya became angry. Yeah, you like to transgress my order? You can become beggar. Mane free of Lakshmi, devoid of Lakshmi. Really so. He is taking water and giving Vishnu. Then Vishnu going to show his own sarup. One leg is there in the earth, another leg gone there. Tribhuvan, all, Sarga, Matta, Patal, all, heaven, all, and took. Where we can give, where is the space for the third leg? Third leg? There was no such agreement. When I saw your leg, that was very small. Now you say, big leg, how? Bali Maharaj not starting argument. Finally, he was bounded in Naga Pass. Anyway, finally settlement was there. But the Joggo was discontinued, no? Joggo could not. Then finally Sukracharya praying to Bhagavan. Prabhu, Yagya anyway, now stop. So, you arrange so that Sankirtan, through Sankirtan we can complete the Yagya. Sukracharya himself speaking. Externally Sukracharya acting as a Mayavati. Because he is going to stop his disciple, don't give. But internal knowing everything. Mantrataha siddham, tantrataha siddham, desa kala samartha, sarvam nischiddam karoti, tava nama sankirtanam. Bhagavan, we know, your Nam Sankirtan can complete any defect. Suppose in Yagya there is some defect, that can be compromised. If Sankirtan going on. You have seen, whenever I am doing Sankirtan, Yagya, some background, some Sankirtan going on. Some devotees doing, they are also, all devotees doing Sankirtan. Without Sankirtan, we are not doing Yagya. Yagya itself is not complete. So, Sukracharya was speaking, Sukracharya also going to support it. There is defects in mantra pronunciation, tantra, the arrangement, there can be some defect in our system. Or maybe time was not proper calculation, which time what to do, which run auspicious. Des, kal, samarhata, and the space where we are in, maybe some defect. But we know your Sankirtan can complete whatever defect can be there. Whatever defect can be there, possibility there. But that can all be compromised or satisfied by Nam Sankirtan. We know in English there is one word. To err is human. We know, na? Man is full of defects. Under the guidance of pure Guru Vaishnava, to take you up to the level of purification, where there can be no defect, that is called bhajan. Bhajan means not that drama. Bhajan doesn't mean one kind of drama. Bhajan means you are gradually, step by step, going forward under the guidance of Guru Vaishnava, up to that platform where you can discover no defects. That is called bhajan. You can allow all impurity to stay, all problems to stay, all, jealousies to stay, fighting to stay. Oh, how you can do? Because you yourself not allowing you don't like to go up to that. You will have to best to keep eye, you have to excuse any mistake done, but you are not ready. How you can go up to that perfect platform? Anyway, so now I was discussing yesterday how Naradji Maharaj speaking in front of Chatussan that I went to this world, on this earth, and I started traveling different pilgrimages, but I found everything missing, all vitals. I went different pilgrimages. What is the utility of one pilgrimage? Why you are going? First of all, I asking you, why you are going to pilgrimage? To purify you? Yes or not? Purify. But if your target is not there on sadhu, only you go and travel and you think you are satisfied, okay? Narottama Thakur already told, Tirtha Yatra Parishram Sakali Muner Bhram Sarva Siddhi Govinda Charan. We can discover all tirtha unto a lotus feet of Guru Padma. All tirtha. Govinda or Guru. Our going to pilgrimage here and there mean to prove that our mind, we are restless. Our traveling here and there, oh, let us go here, let us go there, let us do it. All can prove that how much chanchal I am. Nothing else. Nothing else. So, to go on any particular pilgrimage means to meet with sadhu, get kripa. If there is no sadhu, no meeting with sadhu, no harikirtan, no harikirtan, only your solitary staying cannot help you to come out of Maya. That you are making mistake. That is a blunder mistake you are doing. Your calculation is totally wrong. Anyhow, you will have to make harmony with Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan. Otherwise, no scope. So, we already told yesterday that Naradji Maharaj, with great exclamation, speaking, painful heart speaking, Satyam nasti tapaha saucham daya danam na vidyate. Udam bharina jiva barakaha kuto bhashinaha manda sumanda matayu manda bhagya hi upadritaha pasando nirataha santo virakta saparigraha. Day by day, the power of thinking of human being going down. Because they are taking in contaminated thing now. All their power of thinking power. Previously, man, we know, even 200 years, 100 years, 500, man, thinking power so high, so high. Now, they cannot think enough. They cannot think. Day by day, their power of thinking going down. All their power, patience, they cannot keep. They cannot give honor to each other. Naturally, big problem. So, day by day, their thinking power, memory, all going dropping, day by day. Mandaha samandamatayo. Their luck, as if all their luck burnt up. As if their luck already burnt up. And all problem all around. Some or other kind of countless problems. Now at present our life is full of problem. Nobody can say, I am free of any problem. Everyone, full of some or other kind. Or family problem, service problem, a personal body problem, mental problem, or health problem is there. No problem, not possible. Manda sumanda matayu mandava. Anyway, and people, their heart become, day by day, they become hard. Heart become hard. No mercy, nothing. Like heartless people. They no mercy, they are not thinking. Philom and feeling gone. Even your neighbor staying is in problem. So what it concern to me? I have some seva, I have my... Let him do. But previously, even 100, 200 years back, in a village, if one man is in problem, all coming, what happens to you? Okay, we can help you. But no. We are going to close our door, let the whole world die. What it concern to me? Let the whole world up. I am fine. That is called liberty. I told you, na, definition of liberty. People, liberty mean, whatever I like I can do. I am enjoying liberty. But that is not the definition of liberty. I already told. So, Pashando, heartless people become, day by day become heartless. And those sadhu santa, they are leading life like Grihastha people. Talking with woman, sitting with woman, so many things going on. Nirzire. Virakta saparigraha. It seems they are, in renounced order, not at all. They are more than Grihastha. Grihastha people okay. But they are more than Grihastha. It is it. Viraktaha saparigraha. Which is strictly prohibited, they are doing. This way, Naraji Maharaj is going to describe so many things. If I go on describing, then within 1 year I cannot complete. So what to speak about 1 month? So I can cut short. Gist can be there. Is speaking, in each and every house, Matajis are the power holder. They can conduct. Taruni, Prabhuta, Gehe, Saloka, Buddha. Anyway, I like to... This way, there is no yogic power of yogi, no siddha people, all contaminated, no jnani, no satkriya. There is no satkriya, pure yagya, adi, nothing. But where gone? How not possible? Well, everything burnt up by the power, the flame of Kali. Fire flame of Kali, all burnt up. Kali dava nalena addo swadhanam bhasmatam gatam. No yogi naivo siddho ba no jnani satkriyo naraha. Kali dava nalena adya swadhanam bhasmatam gata. All burnt up. Nothing left. Vitals all gone. Even we cannot find one honest man who is speaking, this is bad, we should not do, not speaking. Bad doing? He has approval. This way, all contaminated everywhere. I like to cut short this discussion. You can think over and again what I mean to say. All around, you are watching the picture, what to speak more. You watching the picture, practically. What to speak more. So, then by chance, Naraji Maharaj speaking, by chance, in course of traveling, I went at the bank of Jamuna. Evam pasyan kaler doshano parjatan avanim parjatan avanim maham. In this way, in course of traveling, I myself, by chance I reached Damuna, Jamunam tatam apanno yatro leela harer abhut. By chance, in course of a traveling, I reach the bank of Jamuna, where all the past Leela of Krishna was there. Krishna gone. But anyway, the Leela place is there, Vrindavan. There I found. With great, I was really astounded to see one picture. What picture? Bala tatyascharya mayadishtam sriyatam tat munishvaraha. Oh, great Muni Rishis, try to hear with full attention what I saw there. Great, strange. What? One young lady, eka tu taruni yatro vishanya khinna manasa. One very young lady, she is crying. Why crying, who knows? And I discovered she is crying. She is crying, maybe age 17, 16 maybe. And I saw two old men also there. They are suffering. Two old men beside him. Bridhyau dau patitau parse nishaso santo achetanu. They are almost without any consciousness, only like a sick man. I was down. Sussasanto prabodhanti rodati cha tayo puraha. And that lady, that young lady, tried to give some service so that the Gyan and that two old men can get some power and is trying his best. Get up, what happens? I am there, this way. And daso dikshu nirikshanti rakshitaram nijam bapuhu. All around looking, there is so many ladies are there to help that lady. They are all around. But they are also helpless. They cannot do anything. Daso dikshu nirakshanti rakshitaram nijam bapu bijamana shatastrivir bodhamana muhur muhur. When that lady looking around, all around, lekin there is countless Matajis are there. They are ready to serve her, but she is crying, thinking helpless. They are going to give consolation to, well, you keep patience. Today or tomorrow, very shortly, Bhagavan can arrange Mangal to you. Don't break down. Somehow Bhagavan can help you, don't. Because by watching your condition, you are crying. Very painful situation. Now question is that, who that lady is? Now question is that, who that lady is, that countless, ladies like to serve her. Ready with all, pan and everything. That lady is Bhakti Devi herself. That lady is no other than Bhakti Devi herself. And two old men suffering beside her, both sides, they are Gyan and Vairagya. By Sarup, they are suffering. Gyan and Vairagya, both of them. Gyan and Vairagya, because Kalikal, nobody accepting them, nobody going, Kalikal big problem. Gyan, Vairagya, nobody less interested, useless. Who can give so much energy? Vairagya, who can do? One time not taking rice, oh, weak. Not sleeping 8 hours, 10 hours, oh, big problem. So where? Kalikal is very dangerous. No power, nothing. So, that two men sick, feeling sick is Gyan and Vairagya, because who can do Gyan? Gyan is Bhakti is very easy. But if you like to do and increase Gyan, so much trouble. And in the way of Jnana, if you are doing slight mistake, then you can fall down. And there is so many scriptural evidence that the Jnani, if they are doing some mistake, everybody criticizing him. Ah, you're Jnani, missing mistake. Vairagya, you are showing Vairagya, slightly someday some contamination, Vairagya gone. But in course of bhakti, if slight disbalance, but niskapat, I told many times. Maybe tomorrow I can discuss more. If at all you are niskapat, no kapat, then somehow, by the mercy of Guru Vaishnava, suppose you have some disbalance, little bit, but no problem. Because you are in bhakti devotional field. Bhakti can, because I can speak coming days some slokas, all documents from Bhagavatam, then I can show that where there is bhakti, Gyan, Vairagya naturally there. But where, but where individually, if Jnana, Vairagya, if individually there, need not, bhakti can not be there. Separate existence of Gyan, Vairagya without the support of bhakti is almost next to impossible. So, this way, Naraji Maharaj speaking, I was looking around, that lady crying, and all around so many countless, and what happens? Beside, right hand side, two old men there, let me, out of curiosity, I wanted to reach that spot. Let me see what happening. When I reached that place, then that lady, out of anxiety, started speaking to me, Naraji speaking. When I reached that spot, then that lady, out of anxiety, started speaking something to me. What? So Bala Vacho. Because surely that lady have idea who is that man is, who is that rishi, Naraji. So Bala Vacho, that lady is shouting, Bho, 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 sadho kshanam tishto machintam opinasayo darshanam tabo lokasyo sarvata agaharam param. What? Bho means one kind of, you are calling, like, oh sadhu, ho, your English, ho, you say, no, is bho. So it's calling, ho sadhu, please listen to me, please stop. There is some problem. I know, whenever somebody can meet with one pure sadhu, all problem can be solved. Yesterday I was speaking, na? Gangar parasi hoy, Gangar parasi hoy, Pavitro, what Kirtan yesterday told, na? Pastade pavon. Gangar parase hoy, pastade pavon, darshane pavitro karo, ei tomar gun. So you are sadhu. So you please wait and try to look into the problem I am facing. So I think I can, because to go in front of a sadhu means, pure sadhu means all, dirty things, yesterday I told, all sinful things are there, all can burnt up. Bho sadhu kshanam tishto machintam opinasayo darshanam tava lokasya sarvata agaharam param. Your darshan is very rare. Who can get darshan of Naraji? Who can get darshan? Our Ban Maharaj in the way of Vaikuntha saw Naraji, Jamuna Devi, in the way of Vaikuntha. He wrote one book. there. So, bho, bho, sadhu kshanam tishto machintam upinasayo darshanam tava lokasya sarvata agaharam param. So, bahuda tava vakyena dukkha santir bhavishvati jada bhagyam bhaved bhuri bhavato darshanam tada. When the luck is very, very favorable, excellent, then and only then one can meet with pure sadhu. Out of manpower, money power, educational power cannot. Different Shastra going to, even Tulsidas ji. Binu sato sanga karai na koi. It is written, Tulsidas ji. Ram kipa binu sulabhu na soi. Tulsidas ji, who wrote Ramayana, sweet. Binu satsanga tarai na koi, Ram kipa binu sulabhu na soi. When your luck is very, very favorable, in Shastra I told many times I told, Satsango praprate pungbhir bahuvir sukriti purva sanchitoi. If your past accumulated sukriti is there, is all together huge, then and only then you can meet with pure sadhu. Otherwise you can get green banana. Green banana. In the name of sadhu, you can get green banana. Go, luchi, puri, halwa, take, and go to Latin, that is your profit. Putting inside and outside, that is your benefit. Nothing else. Binu satsanga taraina koi, Ram kipa binu sula. If Bhagavan is not satisfied, then you never can get satsanga. And the sloka I already told, satsanga prapati pungbhir bahuvir sukriti purva sanchita. If your sukriti is very, very accumulated, then only then Bhagavan can arrange what satsanga in your life. Then surely you have done something good, life after life previously. That's why you are given this chance. Shastra speaking. Bahudha tava bhakyena. If one sadhu going to speak one or two words, then it can give consolation to any man. Follow. So many incidents there. One or two, if I can give example, you can understand. Big, big problem. Even we are less interested to discuss, but still I like to. This is a general discussion. A special discussion I am doing. Then one lady came in front of Buddha. That is not our Bhagavan Buddha. That is Buddha we are not discussing. But I like to project the incident. One lady coming in front of Buddha with a dead son. Lady, old lady, crying and putting the son, you please save my son. I am losing my son. Please, I know you can do it. Then Buddha speaking, well, you can first of all, you can go any house, all around different villages. From any village, any house, you bring some mustard seed for me. And you must be very careful where no question of death is there. In your past, father, forefather, grandfather, no question of any death. A question of death is not. Where is no incident of any death. Death is not there. You bring some mustard seed. The lady traveling all around. You can give some mustard seed. Well, you take. No. Yeah, have you any such incident in your your father, forefather, nobody died? Yes, died. Then I cannot take mustard. All around traveling whole days and coming, and going to, I cannot find such house, home, where I can get fresh mustard seed, where no case of any death can be found. So then, death is inevitable. There is no solution. There is no solution, no medicine, nothing with this death. We are less interested about that, but still the incident is very good. So one sadhu can speak one or two words, like the case of Angira Rishi. Yeah? Angira Rishi and Naraji Maharaj came in the general uniform. First of all came Angira Rishi, who that Chittaketu Raja. When came, he wanted to get one boon. I want son. The son is not there. No, you have to give son. Okay, I can arrange one jagya, can give you son, but be careful, that son can give you both pleasure and pain both. But he didn't care. Pleasure and pain both. The son can take birth, but you can get both pain and pleasure, both. Okay. But after some time, the small boy died. After dying, the king gone mad. Oh, big king, controlling whole world, are now crying like mad. You gone, my son. That's when I can leave my body. I cannot live anymore. Without him, impossible. Finally, what happens? King is like one goat. If you cut, and the head and body, you have seen somebody killing? The half body, like that. Then Angira Rishi and that, Naraji Maharaj came in general form, uniform. What happens, king? Don't ask, my son gone. Where gone? I don't know, he gone. He left this body, dead body there. Then Angira Rishi and Naraji Maharaj wanted to wanted to teach him some Tattva Siddhanta. But Rajan, don't cry, because death is a must. There is no age factor is there. There is no compulsory age factor. Sometime before can man go, somebody old age, middle age, where, when, who can go away, no surety. So why you are crying? Vaji is not going to stop. Finally what happens? Naraji Maharaj and Angira Rishi calling that Atma, oh Atma, where gone? Why leave this body? Why not to come? He's a big king, you can enjoy all your life. Oh, the Atma again coming and entering the body, dead body, and speaking, well, whatever transaction, whatever I had to do, all finished. Now I have to, no, why? You stay, king, you can enjoy. I cannot stay. Time is over. During that time, that was fixed time, so I done, and now I am going over. Then when the Jivatma gone, then the king now thinking, well, death is a must. Otherwise, that king was almost like mad. Now, you see, the sadhu coming, that's why he is going to get consolation. Sadhu coming now. Otherwise, he was supposed to die. Bahuda tabo bhakyena dukkha santir bhavishvati. If you speak something, your quotation, that can give some consolation to me. Jada bhagyam bhaved. If somebody's luck is very, very excellent, then and only then a sadhu like you can come in front. Bahuda tabo bhakyena dukkha santir bhavishvati. Jada bhagyam bhaved bhuri bhavato darshanam tada. A sadhu like you cannot meet. Very rare. Then Naraji, naturally, sadhu is very soft heart. Now, heart, after hearing this crying, and okay, heart is very... Okay, what problem will happen? Then Narad asking, Kasi tvam ko imo Chema Naryaha Ko Paddolochana Bado Devi Savistvaram Shasho Dukshasya Karanam. You speak out, you please speak out the reason of your painful situation. Who all they are around you, all ladies, who they are? And who are you? And who they are too suffering? Please speak out so that I can hear the case after. I can hear the case pass and try to find solution. In details, don't try to hide. If you in front of doctor like to hide the disease, then doctor cannot give treatment properly. If you like to hide yourself, oh, I am good, but there is problem inside her, you like to hide. How? Then disease can stay with you. So Balu Vacha, I am in the Bhakti Devi, now speaking, Aham Bhakti Riti Khyata Imo Me Tanayo Mato. My name is Bhakti Devi. Perhaps you heard. Yes. My name is Bhakti Devi. And these two, they are my son. Son? Yes. Jnano Vairagya Namo Kala Jogena Jarjaro. In course of time, nobody dared to subscribe them, so now they are feeling old and sick. What to do? I am very anxious about my two sons, how to bring back their lost health. Health, big problem. Aham bhakti riti khyata imo me tanayo mato jnano vairagyo namano kala yogena jajjaro. By in course of time, they are feeling weak. No subscribe that. So they are not getting any support. And all those ladies, young ladies all around me, all ladies all around me, very nice looking. Devadas, they are not ordinary lady. They are different pilgrimage, coming Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Triveni, all they are coming to help me. Because Bhakti Devi is the queen, Bhakti Devi is the queen, and all tirtha, all everything going to serve. If they are not going to serve Bhakti Devi, they are useless. What is the utility of this, pilgrimage, if they are not going to subscribe Bhakti Devi? So, Ganga Daha Saritos Chema Mat Sevartham Samagata. They are all coming around me to help me. This problem happened, so they are going to help me. But anyway, what kind of help I can accept? Whereas the situation of my both sons is this. Ganga Daha Saritos Chema Mat Sevartham Samagata. Tathapi Nacha Me Sreyaha Sevita Yaha Surairopi. All those demigods, all there's a pilgrimage, they are coming in personified form, they like to serve me, still I am not getting satisfaction. Same situation prevailing. I cannot find a solution. Now, hear me what happens. Idanin tu sunu tad varta sachittastvam tapodhanaha. You are Rishi. You hear Varta me Vitotapi asti tvam srutva sukhama. This is my condition. In Gujarat, I am going to cut short, not all. When I was traveling, when I went to Gujarat, there my condition was very dangerous. I began also become like old lady. No subscriber there. Because Gujarat is a heartless place. All money, 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 money. Follow. In Shastra, some places are notified. Pandav Barjito, where Pandavas never touch, that is inauspicious place. Follow this condition. So, this way is speaking, when I reach Gujarat, then my body become collapse almost. Very painful situation. Anyway, after that, by chance in course of traveling, by chance when I reach Vrindavan, then again I get back my lost health. I become more like teenager, na? I get back. Again I get back my health. But anyway, I get back my health. I come back from Gujarat. I come to Vrindavan. I get back. But anyway, no solution with my two sons. Same situation. What to do? How to help them? Mother is young and two sons, they are old. Ha, ha, ha. How I can? I am mother. Thinking about them. Then after that, what happens? Naradji Maharaj giving answer. I am going to cut short. Gyanena atmami pashyami sarvam etat tabanaghe no vishadastaya karyo harihi swang te karishyati. What say? Gyanena atmani paswami. You give me some time. I am going to concentrate. Give me some time. I am going to concentrate and looking inside me, and I like to think over and again what is the situation, what solution can be there. So Narada speaking, Gyaneno atmami pashwami. Atmogyan, by the help of Atmogyan, I like to meditate and try to watch what is the latest situation and what solution can be there. So give me some time. So Narada speaking, Gyaneno atmani pashyami sarvam etat tavanagha. Oh, no, you should not be very sorry. You should not be very sorry. Surely Bhagavan Hari can make some mangal for you. Must be some plan. You are suffering at present, I know, but there must be some grand plan of Bhagavan. Maybe some reason must be there. So wait. Don't become so much, So, Naradji is speaking this way, and Sutta Goswami, who is the speaker, Sutta Goswami actually is speaking. Now, in between Narada speaking, Chatusar, don't get confused. Actually, originally, Suttadev Goswami sitting is Naimisharana speaking. In Bhagavad also, you say, sometimes you say Narada Vacha, sometimes Sukho Vacha, Parikshit Vacha. Hey, Maharaj, who is Vacha? Who is speaking what, when? If you cannot keep any track, then you can get lost. So you have to keep full concentration. Who is speaking what? Suppose father speaking to mother, mother speaking to boy, boy speaking to somebody. You have to pay attention. If not, then big problem will be there. So, Sutta Goswami was speaking, then Narad Muni, Munishwar, when you concentrate very peacefully. Kshanomatrena tajgyatva bhakkam uche munishwaraha, within fraction of second. Think, oh, problem is there. I understand. Srinuswa vahita bale jugo ayam daruna kalihi. Oh Bale, oh Devi, hear me. What is the problem? It is actually dangerous Kali. Full attention here. The root cause of your problem, I like to speak out. Srinuswa vahita vale jugo ayam daruna kalihi. Dangerous Kali. You cannot expect anything good. Anyway, all your two sons, they are neglected. They are not getting any vitamin and mineral, nothing. Nobody going to subscribe them. So naturally you feel, that is the reason. And how you are able to get back your youth, health, like teenager? Because you are going to touch this Vrindavan. So long you started traveling here, And now you enter Vrindavan. So Vrindavan is the place of bhakti. Vrindavan is the place of bhakti, Amrita. So naturally your health becomes. But there no subscriber. That's why they. Okay, I am going to think over and again and try to find some solution of that. Okay, after that what happened? Vrindavanaso sanyogat punastvam taruni nava. It is only because you are now in contact with Vrindavan Dham, so you are going to get back your health. Dhanyam Vrindavanam tena bhakti nittati yatrusha. Vrindavan is a place where Bhakti Devi always dancing. Vrindavan is such a place where Bhakti Devi dancing all the time. Dhanyam Vrindavanam tena bhakti nittati yatrucha. But your two sons, what to do? They are neglected, rejected, not getting vitamin, mineral, nothing, no subscription. That's why nothing to do. Vrindavanasya sanyogat punastvam taruni nava dhanyam vrindavanam teno bhakti nittati yatrucha. After that, Bhakti Ruvacha. Anyway, Bhakti Devi going to pass some remark. Bhakti Ruvacha. Katham parikshita ragya sthapito hi asuchi kalihi pravrittetu kalau sarvasaraha kuto gato mahana. Now Bhakti Devi asking, well, I have some question. If you think Kali is so dangerous, you are speaking to me, then why Parikshit Maharaj was so powerful? He could easily cut Kali. He could cut Kali. He opened the cutter, already to cut Kali. But finally, why not culling Kali? Why not going to cut? He could easily cut Kali. Then all problem would have been finished. But why not? Why not? Parikshit Maharaj, why not cutting Kali? Because Parikshit Maharaj is very Mahabhagavat. He is thinking, well, if I can cut Kali, I can cut. Nobody can stop. But in this Kalika, there is one very nice advantage. That only by doing Nam Sankirtan, one can come out successful. Kali is full of problem. Kali is full of problem. But still, only by Nam Sankirtan, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, only by doing this, Kaler dosha nidhe rajan, Kaler dosha nidhe rajan, osti ek mahan gunaha, kittanat eva krishnasya mukta sangha param bhajet. Kali is full of problem. But one benefit you can get, which is rare in other yuga. What is that? Only by Sankirtan, one can Haribol, can go out. Kalera dosha nidhe rajan, osti ek mahan gunaha, kittana deva krishnasya mukta sangha param. Only by doing Hare Krishna, one can become free of material torture. Parikshit Maharaj is like honeybees. Parikshit Maharaj was like honeybees, honeybees from flower taking honeys, but in honeys from flower, honeybees going to sit in flower, collecting honey and go away. But in flower, poison is also there, not collecting. Only honeybees can collect flower, you cannot collect. No science can collect. Artificial honey they can make, that is not answering. Artificial honey. They can research what it constitutes and they make artificial honey. And speaking about original honey. So, that's why Parikshit Maharaj, like honeybees, wanted to accept the excellent quality he saw inside Kali. So thought, okay, I cannot kill Kali. I cannot kill Kali. Because if Kali is there, no problem. Those who are sincere, anyway they are not going to die. Try to get the point. Anyway, those who are sincere, they are not going to make any mistake. Okay, they are very sincere. under the guidance of peer groups. Anyway, Kali not going to make any problem. And those who are not sincere, anyway they are not going to pay attention. So what solution we can find for them? Anyway they are going to die. Let them die. Anyway they are not going to pay attention. So let them die. What I can do? No solution can be. That's why Parikshit Maharaj speaking, that's why Parikshit Maharaj didn't want to kill Kali. That was the reason. After that, Naraji Maharaj can speak so many things, and I can speak tomorrow, not today at a time. If you hear, you cannot. The best possible procedure is a hearing and remembering everything. If you forget hearing and this hearing and go, then no use. You hear and keep it. Kalo narajan jagatam param gurum tilokonatha natopad pankajam prainamartha bhagavantam achyutam jakshanti pasanda bimin chetasa vanchakalpadarus. I can explain this sloka meaning tomorrow.